Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the job opportunities for experience, and we will also share with you the remote job opportunities wherein you can apply and you can get the calls. So today I'm going to share with you few of the night shift opportunities also. So there are some opportunities where there are requirements for testers and they are looking for the night shifts. So first job is for the Apidel Technologies. They are hiring for QA automation testers. Experience required is 7 to 10 years, and this is a remote job. So candidates must be based out in Delhi, and the shift timings is a UK shift, 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Joining is immediate. Joiners are preferred, and they are looking for someone who has got skill set of automation testing, Playwright security testing, compliance knowledge, has got strong SQL, TSQL knowledge. Good to have experience in pharma, experience with Azure DevOps, and the responsibilities are given: develop and execute test plans, test cases, and regression testing, perform security and compliance testing, track bugs, maintain QA metrics, and ensure product quality. So if you're interested, you can share your resume at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for testers. They are looking for quality assurance testers, and the location is Chennai. Experience required is 3 to 5 years. Notice period is immediate. Joiners are preferred. So key skills required is manual testing, automation testing, test case design and execution, bug tracking tools, API testing, basic SQL knowledge. All these things are required. So you can send your CV at this particular email address. Then there are requirements at Akamai company. So they are looking for somebody for the remote roles. So here is a link. So what you have to do is you can approach the person on this particular link for the referral. So they will refer you if and only if you are meeting these particular job descriptions. So the job descriptions are given. 2598 is for senior software engineer 2. Okay, somebody who has got 8+ years of experience and a degree in computer science or a related field, have experience with development using Java, Golang, and a prior experience working with Kubernetes. Experience working with Python is also required. Then software development engineering in test two. There's someone who has got 2+ years of relevant experience and a degree in computer science or related technical field, or senior software development engineering in test is 2597, somebody who can demonstrate 5+ years of experience in QA or SDET roles with education in computer science, engineering, or related fields. You should be having good programming expertise using data structures, algorithms, possess extensive experience in building test automation frameworks with hands-on expertise in Cypress, Selenium, or other UI automation tools. Okay. Then WebCreta Technologies is also hiring. They are hiring for senior DevOps engineer, senior development manager, lead software engineer, senior business data analyst, senior mobile app developer, senior .NET full stack developer, QA engineer, lead QA engineer, and the shift timings would be 8:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. So if you are somebody who is looking forward to solve complex problems or building scalable systems or leading teams, this is the place for you. So you can apply at this particular email address. Okay, and the contact number is also provided, right? So this is the detail. Then there are multiple other opportunities. So let me share those jobs also with you. Right. So this is the company which I was telling you for the night shift jobs. Okay. It would be night shift working 8:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. And they have a requirement for QA engineer, experience 3 to 5 years, lead QA engineer, experience 7 to 9 years. This is the contact number, this is the email address wherein you have to apply. And apart from that, there are multiple other opportunities like DevOps is there, software engineer is there, senior business data analyst is there, then mobile app developer is there. So all of those requirements are there, and the name of the company is WebCreta. There's a remote job. Then there is a hiring for senior QA engineer, and the company name is Surekha Technologies. And here you should have experience with Playwright, which is a must thing. So 5 working days, it's flexible hours, health insurance is there, on-site opportunities are there. So you have to share your CV at this particular email address, careers@surekhatech.com, and the contact number is also provided to you. Right. So these are the details. Plus, there are other job opportunities also. So let me share those details. So Fleek Minds company is hiring. So they are hiring for QA engineer manual and it's a remote role. The website is given www.fleekminds.com and the email address to send the CV is also given hr@fleekminds.com. So it's a remote based job. Salary would be 60,000 to 70,000 BGT. Experience is required is 3 years. So you are expected to perform manual testing for mobile applications, Android and iOS, create, review and execute test cases and test scenarios, identify, report, and track bugs using issue tracking tools, conduct functional regression, usability, and exploratory testing. So all of these things are required with this company. Then there is an opportunity, one more opportunity. Again, let me share that also detail with you. So this is work from office job. So this is work from office job and they are hiring for QA automation engineer 2 to 3 years. Apart from that, there are multiple other opportunities. Engineering manager 10 plus years, VP sales 12 plus years, VPC executive 2 plus years, office administrator 1 to 2 years, senior HR executive 4 to 6 years, junior HR executive 1 to 2 years. Then DevOps, full stack developer is there, junior talent acquisition is there, Ruby on Rails is there. So this is with respect to the Ahmedabad location, it's a work from office, and here is a contact number and the details provided to you. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.